Welcome to Classic Scientific. Setting new parameters of technical excellence, Classic Scientific introduces itself as the leading manufacturer of laboratory and scientific equipment. Our product range broadly comprises laboratory equipment, laboratory dryers, laboratory heating equipment, laboratory furnaces, laboratory ovens, laboratory incubators and cooling equipment. It is our well-laid manufacturing unit, proven production techniques and effective stock management and logistics which support timely delivery of orders. We provide complete documentation like DQ, IQ, OQ, PQ protocols along with FAT report, calibration test certificate, traceability certificate, test reports, wiring diagram and MOC test certificate. Our quality standard and effective after-sales services have helped us to maintain a list of satisfied clients who come to us with repeated orders. Some of our valuable clients are Cipla Limited, Lupin Limited, Agio Pharmaceuticals, Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, Spices Board Cochin, JBF Industries Limited, National Institute of Oceanography, JBF Limited, Bharat Serum and Vaccines Limited, ACC Cement Group of Companies, Indorama Cement Limited, Cadila Pharmaceuticals.